So this is the Dragon Warriors that, of course, Jose thought of the name. And this is the Night Howlers, which again, Jose thought of the name. And this is the soccer ball. They're about to battle it out.
And my mom is on this side.
Yeah, this side. So let's see what team wins. Are you ready to rumble?
Yes. I'm ready. I'm born ready.
Oh yeah? Dun, 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 dun. Ah! You gotta go get the ball. You can't get too far. These are just watching. These are just the fans. Oh no.
I'm gonna win.
No. Oh yeah? Oh. Got it. You're gonna get it. Oh no! Went far. We're kicking it way out of our field. Look at him go. Look at him go. No, we're gonna win.
Go! Go!
Woo! Did we get it? Did we get it?
Make it on
This way. You gotta hit the rock. Oh no! And we made it! Run! Woo! We got it. We got it. You guys are losing.
Yes, dang it!
Let's see. We got it. We got it. Oh yeah?
Go!
Oh no. Did you let it go? Nope, you didn't hit the rock.
No, I got it one.
No, you didn't.
Go!
Woo! Go for the Night Howlers. We're waiting for him to bring the ball back. Ah!
Why are you not taking
Oh yeah?
the freaking
Oh yeah? Go! And the Night Howlers win!
Well, before you go, like and leave a subscribe. But whenever I don't make no more videos, that means I can't. Okay, I'm sorry. But
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, it took so long, right?
Yes.
So nice to meet you.
So we'd appreciate a thumbs up. Like.
And if you want to make another video with my mom, well, always. I guess just
Like and subscribe. Rah.
you just fail.
Bye.